they might talk to the president to make him reconsider his decision against the Philippines rejoining the ICC. Is that decision final?
You know, unless the prosecutor stops this charade of a prosecution, I don't think it's possible. Because no state, as I said, would ever agree to surrender their exclusive right to prosecute crimes that happen in their jurisdiction. This is why the United States never joined the ICC. This is why Russia and China never joined the ICC, because despite all the novelties that the drafters of the statute came up, such as a pretrial chamber, no?
Yeah. Attorney Roque, one final question on the nature and the binding and lasting, hopefully, institutions of treaties in particular. President Duterte pulled us out of a treaty that you worked very hard for us to be party to. There was this whole conversation about the Senate, having had to ratify a treaty, and then therefore the question of, does the Senate need to concur as well when we pull out of a treaty? Where do you stand on that now? I mean, considering how long you fought for that treaty and how, at the end of the day, it was so easy to just render it as nothing to the country.
Of course, I was sad. I will admit I was sad. But I thought the decision was justified because really that former prosecutor was politicking. She should have picked on another country, not us. Why? Because we were the most active in campaigning for universal ratification of the Rome Statute in Asia. Actually, I had a conversation with her. And I told her, with what you did, do you think there's any other Asian country that will join the ICC? Certainly, no other country in ASEAN will join the ICC because precisely they fear that the ICC will interfere with sovereignty and jurisdictions, and that's exactly what happened. So that is why I have said it, and I will say it again. Should they persist in the prosecution of this case, with people knowing the kind of legal system that we have, knowing that it was our jurisprudence that enabled the very establishment of this court, no one will believe that our courts are not able and willing to handle these cases, particularly when we have a domestic law penalizing the exact same things being penalized by the ICC Rome Statute. Countries, in fact, will not join the ICC. And I said that.
Yeah, but
I spoke in the General Assembly of the state parties prior to the decision to withdraw. But of course, they thought that was just probably words. They did not know that was actually the message of the president. So it came with a warning that you are going to lose your most important ally in Asia, which is the Philippines.